If you don't have a sewing machine, use a needle and thread or a hot glue gun. Both can work, they're just a bit more time consuming, but you'll still get the same results. Lay out your fabric and cut it out 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. If you don't have pinking shears, you need to hem these ends first before continuing. Hem the ends slightly bigger than your elastic's width. Mine was 2.5 centimeters. Straight stitch both sides. If you don't have a sewing machine, use a needle and thread or a hot glue gun. If you don't have elastic, cut up a strip of stretchy fabric and tie it in a knot. You can use an old pair of leggings or a t-shirt. Now use a safety pin to wiggle the elastic through the hem pocket. Undo the safety pin and secure both ends of the elastic with a sewing pin. And now just do the same thing to the other side. Now sew a zigzag stitch on both of the elastics. If you don't have a sewing machine, just tie both ends of the elastic or your fabric into a knot. I light my ends to secure it. Hide the ends of the elastic by tucking it in. You can put a small stitch in the middle to hold the ends in place. If you want to put a filter, you can put a piece of tissue, and there you have it, a DIY face mask that is reusable and washable. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.